Local campaigns make it easy to promote your stores to nearby customers. With this solution, you can connect with your valuable customers and provide them with the information they need to visit your store, including location opening details, new operating hours, business offerings like curbside pickup, safety measures, and more. This cross-channel campaign type is focused on driving local awareness and increasing visits to your physical locations. It has been designed for advertisers with store sales goals. For example, a furniture business may use local campaigns to get customers to come to their store. Or a restaurant may use local campaigns to attract more diners to their locations. How do local campaigns work? You provide your store locations, a campaign budget, ad text, images, and video. Then, Google's massive computing power automatically optimizes bids, ad placements, and ad combinations, so that you can promote your business at scale across Google properties and maximize visits to your physical locations. With local campaigns, your ads can appear on Google Maps when customers search for locations like yours, or explore a local area within Google Maps. In local results on Google Search, when customers search for terms relevant to your business and its location. On YouTube as a TrueView ad, so that you can reach YouTube viewers who are near your business and likely to visit. And across millions of partner sites and apps on Google Display, when customers browse online and use apps and are likely to visit your business. Up next, learn the best practices for how to implement local campaigns. If you have any questions or for more information, please visit Google Ads Help or refer to this guide.